Hey everyone, how are you doing? Before we get started, do me a favor and hit the like button. What that does is it helps other people to see the channel. Also, hit the subscribe button. Also, check the link below. You're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. You're going to see the word petitions. I need for you to sign it. Sign the one that says Ann Baker. So today we're going to talk about credit and how to increase your credit score. So you know that if you have collections on your report, you can go to Experian.com and they will actually show you if you have collections, and if you do have collections, what the information is. Like, who is it with? What is the account number? What is the amount? So you're going to write a letter to all three of the credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, and you will dispute the charges, right? So you can just go to Google for that template on how to dispute the charges. All right. So but we're going to talk about something else that will also help you to increase your credit score. And that is when you go to Experian.com. So you're going to go to Experian.com. You will see a tab that says credit. And then you will see a tab that says Experian Boost. Right? So you will see that right underneath. But these are some examples of bills that can be added. What you're doing is you're connecting your bank account to Experian, and then they give you the option of connecting certain bills. So these will automatically pop up, and then you just select them. So for example, they will take your car insurance, utility, Edison, your phone, your business phone, your life insurance. They will take these type of bills. Other examples, things like your water bill. We already said Edison. We said your mobile phone, your business phone, also your bank credit card. So it is connecting your bank to Experian. So what that will do is after connection is done, you will automatically see your score increase, and you will see that automatically. Experian, they have your credit score, and then they will show you the increase and by how much it increased. So this happens within seconds of you connecting your bank account to Experian. All right, so as time progresses, when you're paying your bill on time, the fact that you're paying your bill on time and Experian can see that, your score will continuously increase. So you have that initial jump and increase just by connecting it, and you'll be able to see that right then and there. And then as you pay your bills on time, throughout time, your score will also increase. So this is something that Experian offers. Again, it is called Experian Boost. And you're connecting your bank to Experian, and they just give you the options of what bills that you want to connect. So you connect the bills to this Experian Boost. Simply by connecting it, within seconds, your score increases, and Experian will show you the original score and then the final score after you connected it. So that happens within seconds, that increase in your credit score. And then again, as time goes by and you're paying your bills on time, you will see the increase for the simple fact that you have it connected with Experian Boost. So only thing that you need to do is pay these bills that you have linked, pay them on time. So what can help pay on time is auto pay. If you take the time to set up auto pay, then you'll be less likely to miss a payment, and you'll be less likely to have a late payment. So depending on how many bills you have, you can just gradually set them up on auto pay. Set up a few bills at a time on auto pay until you get everything on auto pay. That way, you will never have a late payment, and your credit score cannot be adversely affected by late payments. That's one thing that they look at in determining the credit score. How many late payments do you have? And so somebody is monitoring that. Like how many times, like every month, how many times, how many late payments? For example, you had 5 late payments. So that number 5 will be on your credit score, and that's helping to decrease your credit score. So setting up auto pay, paying the bills on time, you won't have late payments, and that factor will also help to increase your credit score. All right, so that's another thing you can do besides sending the letters out to the 3 bureaus to dispute collections is going to Experian.com and going to Experian Boost. It's called Experian Boost. And then just connecting your bank account with Experian and then clicking on whatever bills that you would like to connect. So this is all free. It doesn't cost any money. This is something that Experian offers to help boost your credit score. And one good thing about Experian is that you can just simply go to the website, Experian.com. You can see what your credit score is right then and there for no charge. And they will also show you additional things. They will show you things like what the lender is looking at. They will show you your report. So you can see things on your report, like you can see what bill was late. You can see what collections are on your reports. So Experian will allow you to see a lot for no charge. So it's a really good site, Experian.com. You can look at it and you can see what the lenders are looking at. All right. So do me a favor, if you like the channel, I need for you to hit this like button. That helps other people to see the channel. If you are not a subscriber, I need for you to hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you won't miss an episode. Also, don't forget, I need for you to click on this pin link below. Scroll all the way to the bottom. You're going to see the word petitions. I need for you to sign it. Sign the one that says Ann Baker. Also in the comment section, let me know, how is your credit card history going? If you are on the journey of improving your credit score, how is it going? Let us know some of the things that you are doing and what was the result. All right. What are some of the things that you are learning when it comes to improving your credit score? So go ahead and share that with us in the comment section. All right. What boosted your credit score? Also, what allowed your credit score to go down that you were not expecting? All right. So go ahead and share that journey with us in the comment section. Also, don't forget that on your way out, hit that like button. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day. All right. Bye for now. Have a good one.